Today we are going to make a quick and easy recipe of mixed vegetable pulao, and the ingredients for which are heat oil in a pressure cooker, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 2 to 3 cloves, 2 black cardamoms. Let them crackle. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Saute it nicely for a minute or two, or till the color of ginger and garlic is slightly changed. Now we will add 6 to 8 medium-sized potatoes cut in halves and roast them for few seconds. Add 1 cup of French beans, saute it nicely. You can add in any vegetable of your choice. Now add 1 large tomato, 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 medium-sized capsicums. Add in the dry spices, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste. Mix everything nicely and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. We will roast our vegetables so that the flavors are absorbed by the vegetables, and then we will add rice. Add 2.5 cup of soaked rice. Mix it and add 3 cups of water. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder, some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and bring it to a boil. Sprinkle some fried onions Some more coriander leaves. Pinch of food color. It is totally optional. Now cover the lid and pressure cook it till 2 whistles. Our mixed vegetable pulao is ready. Garnish it with some fried onions and chopped coriander leaves.